Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. Capricorn, this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Capricorn, if you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Two of Suns in reverse, Seven of Stars and Postulant of Stars in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, it may be in your career situation or personal life or relationship, guys. So maybe today, Capricorn, you have made some choices or you are seeing some opportunities as something good, something that will take you to success, but you need to this path is taking you towards away from some kind of burdens that you are having today in your situation. So you are seeing things more clearly now, guys. Maybe you have a different perspective and this choice or this circumstance is giving you that clarity in your situation, something that is changing you today, guys. Maybe it may be someone's ideas or it may be your own awareness today. Something has changed the way you are dealing or changed the way you are seeing things. And maybe today you realize that all that problems or whatever you faced in your situation, it may, in truth, it may not be so big. It may simply be your exaggeration. Maybe in truth it was some simple problems for you to solve, but you have made it big by thinking too much about it, having too many negative thoughts about it. So or it may be someone's energy. Someone has created problems out of nothing for you and you are the one facing the the impact, something that is worrying you. But this person has done this maybe because they do not like you or they are someone who exaggerates any situation. So this problematic situation may be because of this person's attitude, guys. So you need to have that perseverance. Maybe if you are having problems in your career situation or in your relationship, you need to trust only yourself, guys, today. Maybe because there are people who are not telling you the truth, they are exaggerating about something. So you need to understand that if you have that perseverance and that strong will, you are going to succeed, guys. Today you will get that clarity and you will see impossible dreams coming true for you today in your situation, guys. Capricorn, if you have trust and belief in yourself and not on anyone else. So whatever actions you take up, you have to do it with clear head. That is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Astronomer of Spheres. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, you are someone, you are really confident about this person you love or they have this confidence in you. You both share mutual love, respect and caring for each other, guys, in this relationship. And this person is a very a good partner for you. They are supportive and they are very kind and compassionate. So that is what I see, guys. So you are made for each other, guys, Capricorn. That is what I see with this card. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Chariot. So with this card, guys, maybe you are moving to a different place for work, or you are joining a new place for work. Some kind of change is happening in your situation, and maybe you would have faced some problems, but you are going to overcome all those troubles, guys, and you are going to feel happy and composed in your emotional state. So happiness and contentment is what I see because of this move, guys, in your career situation, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity, Capricorn, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Such a beautiful card here, guys. 1. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are all part of that divine spark, guys. So just like a gold chain or an ornament is made out of gold, molten gold. So that molten gold is the origin, and that in the situation that we may compare that to universe or God or higher power, and the ornaments are us. So it is the same thing. So what comes out of it, it's the same as what is there in the beginning. So all of us have that divine spark in us, and we need not fear whatever is happening in our situation. We need not worry, because we have that divine energy in each and every one of us. So whatever is manifesting in our life is our own doing, guys, and we need not have any fear or worry or apprehension because of that. So we need to understand that. And the appearance of this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are in some kind of confusion, something is worrying you today, and something is really weighing heavy on your heart, and you are in some confused state. You don't know which path to take up, whether to go for this path or that. But you need to understand that whatever is the right thing or whatever will be the right choice will come to you on its own, guys. You need not worry, and it will find you drawn to it. That choice will will attract you, and you need not worry or have any feelings of fear today, guys. No need to get confused, and this choice will come to you, so you need not worry about it. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So all that is supposed to happen will happen at the right time, guys, and nothing bad will ever happen to us, because we are all part of that whole, whatever you call it, God, universe, or that higher power. So nothing will ever go wrong for us. Everything will be perfectly all right in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. It is time to go. So this card may, on the outright, you may think that this card stands for a breakup or some kind of separation. But in truth, guys, it is just that emotional detachment. That is what is happening today, guys. That release you feel emotionally to something, some situation or a person. So you are in a situation right now, you are unable to do anything for this person or for that situation, and you have taken stock of whatever you have learned, and there is nothing new you can add to that circumstance, and your suggestions or ideas or your presence is no longer needed. So you need to understand that your journey or your part you need to play in this circumstance has come to an end. So that does not mean that it is this relationship is moving towards a breakup. You need to give up your attachment you have on this person, guys. Go for that emotional release. So if you love something or someone, you just need to let them go, guys. And if that person comes back, it just means that they love you and this connection is meant to be. But if they do not come back, it just means that this relationship was never meant to be. So if you want something deeper, if you want a more deeper, emotional, perfect, compatible relationship, and you want that clear understanding, you need to walk away, take a step back. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.